So in this video, we're going to be going over how to make custom hotkeys. Again, this is one that you might not want to jump on right away, but some people like to have it earlier on. It's something that usually you want to realize what tools you use all the time and then assign those to hotkeys, as opposed to just assigning a bunch of hotkeys you think you're going to use and then never really use them. So assigning hotkeys is really, really easy in Moto. Down here you have this little guy. That's your command history. You can think of this like your undo history. So I have some stuff in here because this file was just open. But as soon as I click a button, let's hit bevel, for example, it says apply tool, post mode, do apply, whatever. So up here a few steps, it says vertex bevel, tool set bevel on. So normally how this is going to work is, let's go to a different one. So I have these two guys selected. I'll hit join average. So right here, it says join vertices, vert.join is true. So that's the little operation that happened for that. So if I want to assign this to a hotkey, I can click on it right here to select it, right click on it and hit map command to key. And then from here, right now, I have it set to J for my hotkey. If there's nothing there, it'll just say hotkey unassigned. And from here, you can hit any other key you want. So let's do something really weird like Shift 8. Oh, that's already taken. So Shift 8, let's actually press that again. It says assign to select layer 8, set 1. So that's a random thing that we don't really know what that means yet. So let's hold Control and hit 8 instead. So it says key unassigned. So if I was to hit OK, it would override this non-existent hotkey with vert join equals true or our join average. So that's something that you can do, is just look at, right clicking on this, oops. Right click map command to key. So I can go through here and I can start hitting buttons like W, E, and R. We know that those translate to move, rotate, and scale. So if I hit W, it'll say assign to transform, move, assign to rotate, E, R, assign to scale. So I can kind of go through here and see what ones of these have hotkeys and what don't. But usually if you use a modifier key like Shift and a button or Control and a button, chances are those aren't taken. But once you use Moto a lot, there'll be a bunch of commands that you know that you're really not going to use. So you can just override those hotkeys. And again, at any time you can reset the hotkeys. We'll go over that later. But again, setting hotkeys in Moto overall is fairly easy. Only other thing I recommend is this command history. Just minimize this once you're done so you can kind of take advantage of your full real estate.